Hey everybody, this is your girl Tony. I'm making some awesome balsamic reduction or glaze today. So I want to welcome y'all to this video. Thank you all for being here. I'm going to go ahead and get started. But like I said, definitely make sure that you're liking, following, and of course sharing this out with somebody that of course would love to have this glaze. This balsamic, I'm just using regular balsamic vinegar just to let you know. 2 cups of this. And you can use any kind of balsamic vinegar you want to use. And where's my honey? Oh. Here's my honey. Right here, I'm using 2 tablespoons of this. So like I said, definitely cooking these 2 things together creates that awesome glaze that you may have had on like mozzarella cheese slices and tomatoes or other kind of vegetables. You can even use it on meat or seafood if you want to. That's up to you. But like I said, you can definitely use this in a whole lot of ways. But I definitely want to make this on camera for y'all today so y'all can take this recipe and, like I said, use it for something else. Like I said, mine is actually going to be used on some chicken I'm making for Christmas tomorrow. Some chicken thighs I'll be making tomorrow night for dinner. And also I'm going to be making I love making my vegetable bakes, like my chopped vegetable bakes. So that's going to go on that as well. I'll make that probably on Monday, just to let y'all know. And I'll take pictures and stuff. I may do some of it on video. We'll see. But like I said, definitely that's what this is going to be used for. So let me go ahead and get into it. Oh, and I do want to say, I had to go buy a mason jar yesterday because I didn't have one. So I had to buy one last night in order for me to put the glaze in. Yeah, I'm so silly. I had to go get one from Dollar Tree. I know now, the next time I want to do something like that, I have to have a glass jar. And I'm sure there's a reason why they want a glass jar instead of a plastic container. So let me go ahead and get into this, y'all, so y'all can check this out. And it takes about a good 20 minutes maybe to cook. Is what the recipe said. So, like I said, I'm using 2 cups of balsamic vinegar. Uh-oh. Go ahead and fill that on up. Like I said, it's a very simple recipe. But it's very good, y'all. If y'all have never had it, like I said, this is something that you can, like I said, put on top of your veggies. I just recently had some at a work party, actually. They had some sliced mozzarella and tomatoes and this reduction on top, or this glaze, whichever one you want to call it, on top. So, like I said, definitely I had to make me some. I got to make some of this so I can have it at home for me. So I saw the bottle. She bought it from the store, but I'm like, I got to make my own. I think I've used this whole bottle. I know I got another one. I got to find the other bottle, y'all. Give me 1 second. I done used up all the doggone vinegar. Let me get my other bottle. Lord, where is it? Here it is. And it's not open yet. So let me see how to get this thing open, y'all. See, I have a whole nother bottle. Trying to get the thing open, though. So while that's cooking, let me know how y'all were doing. I know it is Christmas Eve. Oh my gosh, what in the world? I know it is Christmas Eve, and I'm sure y'all are doing some fun things. Let me know what y'all doing. I know we're going to see Christmas lights tonight, so that should be nice. Pretty sure. How can I get this bottle open? What in the world? It's hard to open. I have to get Adrian to open it or something because it's hard to open. I can't even get the thing open. Lord. Okay, come on, bottle. This is a hard top to open, y'all. Goodness gracious. All right. There we go. Sound like some bird cracking or something. Like, Lord have mercy. Here we go. Now I got the bottle open, y'all. So let's get on back to pouring the other cup. Here we go. Goodness gracious. And it says, of course, once you're mixing this, like I said, it's 2 cups of balsamic vinegar and then 2 tablespoons of honey. You want to use coconut sugar. Whatever kind of sugar you want to use is really fine. It just changes the cooking time. The recipe I saw had honey in it. Or was it coconut sugar and honey, I think. And that took about a good 20 minutes to cook. And it says other things that you may use may not take as long. So, but I'm using this, so it's no problem. So I found my little plastic. Oh, here it is. Got it. I was looking for this. Oh, actually, you know what? I'll use my wooden spoon. I'll use that instead. My handy dandy wooden spoon, y'all. I'll use that instead. Okay. Now it's time for the honey, y'all. Time for the honey. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out. Just hard to squeeze this thing. There we go. I think I got a better handle on it. Like I said, if y'all out there listening, let me know what y'all doing for Christmas Eve. And of course, what y'all making for Christmas, actually. Y'all making something special or making the traditional? What are y'all doing for Christmas as far as your menus? So I definitely would love to know. As always, I love to know that. So I definitely want to know. Definitely let your girl know. Like I said, we're not making a traditional Christmas dinner at all. We're having, like I said, the balsamic glaze I'm making is going to be for the chicken I'm making tomorrow, actually. And then we're going to make a homemade veggie lasagna too to go along with it. So that should be nice. That should be nice, nice, nice. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure. Uh-oh. Goodness gracious. And I know being here in Tucson, I don't know if it's just being here in Tucson or just period. It just does not feel like Christmas to me. It feels just like another day. I guess it is another day, but I mean, it just, I don't know what it is. Something's off to me. I'm not sure what, but that's all right. Sure. I know they said they have snow up in the mountains here. I don't think that's it. It just, I don't know, it just doesn't feel like it. I guess because I've had 46 Christmases. That's probably why I don't feel like Christmas anymore. Because it's the same thing every year unless we start doing something different. Other than that, I guess it would be the same thing. So, so I promised myself that I was going to start doing some things different anyway. With these holidays and all that type of stuff. Because it gets to be the same thing. It gets boring. So, at least for me, I don't know if anybody else out there agree or have any things to say about it, I guess. If it feels like Christmas to you, I don't know. Everybody's different, so. But definitely let your girl know, so. Like I said, I'm just stirring this now. Like I said, the reduction, it should take about 20 minutes. It said once it gets thick enough to, of course, coat the back of this wooden spoon, then it'll be done, so. So I'm just to stir until, I don't have to stir the whole time, but it said to make sure that it don't stick, so. I'll make sure I let it go a second and then because it's starting to actually boil a little bit. Like I said, if you make this at home, please let your girl know. I do want to know I guess why you made it, whether you're going to use it for your veggies or your cheese trays or what you're going to use it for. So I definitely want to know. Ooh, goodness gracious. It smells. I love, y'all, what is that stuff? Malt vinegar. I have fell in love. I had malt vinegar. It was like back when we first kind of got her to Tucson. I wanted to try it on something. Oh, with some French fries. But I forgot how in the world I learned about it. My partner told me about it or something. I can't remember what it was. But y'all, I have fell in love with vinegar and fries. That is one of my favorite things. I'm like, oh my God. And I know I can't have fries all the time at all. But I love the taste of that. The vinegar and fries is so, so good. Now, I know this is boiling. And I'm assuming that it ain't going to boil the whole thing up out of her now. But let me know if y'all eat some of that. If any one of y'all have had vinegar, malt vinegar on your French fries. It is so good. I think it said it's an East Coast thing. So, but I'm not from the East Coast. I'm from St. Louis. But still, it's still good to me. That is the best thing to me. Because I like vinegar. I mean, it's really good for you anyway. My Lord have mercy. So, so good. Now I want some. This vinegar must smell like I want some now. Jesus Christ. All right. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Now I want some. But if y'all have had it out there, let me know I guess whether you're still eating it today. And if you haven't had it, let me know if you're going to try it. Like I said, it was so tasty. And I haven't had it probably maybe a month or something. I don't know how long it's been, but I haven't had it in a minute. Well, I ain't going to say a minute because a month is not long, but I haven't had it in a while, a little bit, I guess I should say. Because maybe it has been like a month or so. I don't know. But I bought me like a big old bottle of malt vinegar. It's over there too, so. Like, Lord have mercy. Stuff is so, because I thought it was going to be nasty. I'm like, this is good. But it's actually really good, y'all, if y'all haven't tried it. And let me know what else y'all use vinegar on. I know the other kind of vinegar that we have here is apple cider vinegar. I know that's good for health. And you can use that in food, too, in salads and all kind of stuff. Salad dressings, recipes. Like I said, let me know what y'all out there use vinegar for. And the vinegars that you've used, you can put them into the chat. That's fine. And I try to look up there as much as I can to see. Like I said, definitely let me know. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed or followed this page, make sure that you are doing so. Make sure that you are doing so. And sharing it with your family and friends as well. Because these tasty recipes and my awesome cookies here in Tucson, I'm sure they'll love that too. And even if they don't stay in Tucson, that's also fine. Like I said, these recipes are universal. They can be made anywhere. So, but definitely make sure that y'all was sharing, commenting, and like I said, following and subscribing to this page here. To make sure y'all stay up on the up and up on some of these awesome recipes. Like I said, this is just a reduction, balsamic reduction, or glaze. I call it reduction because of course you got to get all the water out of it. But it will be glazed once I'm done. So, and like I said, this is the tastiest thing to me. On top of some veggies, like I said, with that tomatoes and cheese the other day. I'm like, I got to make my own stuff. I'm like, how did because I was thinking to myself, because like I said, she had a bottle of it. And I'm thinking to myself, like, how in the world can I make that? Found a recipe. Very simple. All the recipes I found, of course, you use two. You can use 1 cup of vinegar and 1 cup of sugar, whatever you want to use, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, whatever kind of sugar if you're liking. Like I said, I use 2, because I'm thinking 2 should fill up that glass, or just about, and it should last me a while. I don't know how long it lasts. I think it's, I want to say somewhere I read like a month or so. I'll have to look, y'all, when I'm done with this. But like I said, definitely, it's going to last me some, I'm sure. I'm going to tear this stuff up. Even if I dip my carrots in, I'm still going to eat it that way anyway. I said it's so good. I know vinegar, actually, I would just ask y'all about the vinegars. The vinegars are good for you anyway, health-wise. So, like I said, let me know what kind of vinegars you all like out there and y'all use and eat out there. Eat or drink. Like I said, you can drink the apple cider. I think you can drink all these vinegars if you wanted to. I know the most popular one that folks, of course, seem to use is apple cider vinegar. Like in the weight loss stuff, or getting your body together, getting your body more healthier, that kind of thing as well. That kind of space. So I know I've made some concoctions with apple cider vinegar. But I don't like the taste too much. The last thing I did with apple cider vinegar was actually bathe in it, because you can actually take a bath in it, like for a detox bath. That's why I used it the last time. Even though I have drank it and that kind of thing, I don't like that flavor at all. But for my health, I will drink, especially if it's for my health, I will be drinking it. I'll put it that way. My health is more important than just how something tastes. So, like I said, let me know what y'all do out there with the vinegars. Woo. I may have to turn on this fan, Lord. The whole house gonna be stinky. I'm gonna open the down door. To say about this, y'all, I mean, it smells good, but like I said, it's definitely getting vinegary in here. I put it that way. Getting vinegar with it. It just popped in my head, y'all. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Okay. I didn't even time this, y'all, but when it starts, like I said, stick it to the back of the spoon, a thick glaze, you know it's done. Let me get some water. All right, give me some water. Lord mercy. Alrighty. These bubbles are beautiful, actually. Goodness gracious. It's starting to stick to the back, but it's not thick yet. I see all the bubbles. There's still some in the water. Probably sugar and water too, but it's not all the way done yet. Nope. Because it's running off just like regular vinegar still. And like I said, I hope y'all are having a great holiday season. Jesus Christ. Lord. A great holiday season as well. I cannot believe it's almost the end of 2022. Guess we got, what, 6 days left, I guess, for the new year? I'm like, wow. That seemed like it went by fast, too. Like, my goodness. All the years seem like they've been going by fast lately. Guess that's something when you get older, I guess. Maybe it's younger, too. I'm sure the kids probably saying the same thing. I don't know. But How the days are going so fast, it seems smushed together, it seems like. This is actually really pretty, actually. It's bubbles and stuff. Really, really pretty. Now that something stuck in my head to get jiggy with it, so. Oh my God, Lord have mercy. Should have been saying getting vinegar with it. Now it's in my head. I can't get it out. Oh, Jesus. So crazy. And I'm not going to actually pour this right into the, oh, I gotta scoop this back because it says the temperature of my phone is too high. Okay. I'm trying to get my fingers out the thing. Hopefully that helps. I'm hoping that helps. Because I might have to move my phone. I want my phone to be blowed up or nothing. I'm like, Lord. Child. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Okay, let me turn these up a little bit. Just to put it up a little bit, yeah. So. And one thing I would definitely say, this is something that you probably should make with the doors open. Because this is like driving me crazy, this smell. It's a lot. Maybe I should go open the door. Y'all don't finna go open the door right back. Had to go open the front door, y'all. Jesus. That was starting to burn. Whew. Oops. Put too much smoke in my phone. I ain't say all this. Nah. This smell. Yeah, no, it's still coming off a little bit. Yeah. Still coming off a little bit. See? Still dripping off. But it's getting better. It's getting a little thicker. Like I said, I'll show y'all how to make this, but in order for me to put it into the jar, it has to cool down first. So I'm not going to store it into the jar with the hot like that at all. So I'll need to take a picture of it or something, like a short video afterwards. I'm definitely not going to put it into the jar like that. You know. It's cooking down, y'all. It's cooking down. It is cooking down, y'all. Like I said before, if y'all haven't shared this, please do share it with somebody who loves to cook too, or who likes making recipes, or love stuff like this. The Balsamic Glazes. And also, like I said, make sure that you follow the channel too. Following and subscribing as well. And be sure to comment, like I said, what y'all doing today, Christmas Eve. Like I said, we're going to see Christmas lights. We're riding around to see Christmas lights, rather. I cannot wait. I got to get the address. I know it's in my phone. I have to get the address and stuff, but there's a whole community. We used to have Candy Cane Lane back at home in St. Louis. That was over in South City. It was like mini blocks with all these houses with like beautiful lights and light displays, inflatables, all types of stuff. And then they, of course, had hot chocolate and Santa, of course, and just all types of stuff out there. Yeah, it was always beautiful. But you could either drive or walk through. I actually did both. And it's just always pretty to go through. Of course, walk through. But in St. Louis, it was like 10 degrees those nights. But like I said, definitely just walking through to see the beautiful decorations, and then hearing the cute little music to like, because some folks' houses, they have like some music like to their lights. So I thought that was also awesome. So I don't know how they have it here in Tucson. Uh-oh. What did it say? We'll clear the. Okay, well, I gotta close